What's up, food lovers? Welcome to the show. I'm Tony Two-Ton, and today we're gonna be baking butterfly chicken, also known as spatchcock chicken. I'm gonna show you how to do it. We're gonna cut it, prep it, season it, and then we're gonna pop it in the oven. I got the oven preheat at 500 degrees right now, and then we're gonna bake it for an hour. And then we're gonna put it on broil for 5 minutes to make the skin nice and crispy. This recipe is gonna be super flavorful, juicy, and delicious. You will love it. So if you like the recipe, make sure you smash the like button. And if you like my style, please consider subscribing, all right? So let's get to cooking. Let's go, let's go. So here we go, guys. Here's all the ingredients. We have basil, we have garlic, we have garlic powder, Tony Chachere, and black pepper. And this is 1 cup of butter. So we're gonna mix all of it in the butter. Black pepper, basil, garlic, garlic powder, and Tony Chachere. All that, mix it up. Mix it up real good. Then we set it aside. Just let it down so it won't make a mess. Here we got the chicken. We got the beautiful chicken. Then we'll pat it dry. Okay, after we pat it dry, we take scissors. Nice pair of scissors, sharp scissors. We're gonna cut the backbone. All the way down. Cut it on both sides. Take this out, save that for later when we make broth or something. And take a knife, cut the bone right here. Cut that cartilage. To that, season it a little bit. Nice seasoning. Put it under the skin. Flip it over. Just like that. And spread it like that. Tuck the wings. Tuck the wings in like that. Here you go. Now we want to season it. So here you go, guys, the finished product. This is just a piece of the thigh leg. Super crispy and juicy. When you take it out of the oven, make sure you let it rest for 4 to 5 minutes, all right? So it'll absorb all that juice and flavor into the chicken. So here we go. This is also keto friendly, of course. And here we go. First bite, taste test. I'm gonna bite the whole thing. So flavorful. So juicy. That. Let me clean up right quick. Wow. That is delicious. This is super flavorful. The skin is lots of flavor in there. You can taste the herb. You taste the of the Tony Chachere. So good. This is good. So let me take another bite. That is cooked to perfection. Well, guys, I'm gonna finish up here, clean up, then I'm gonna enjoy the rest of my day. If you like the video, smash the like button for me and consider subscribing, all right? Until next time, peace out. Bye. Thank you for coming. Bye.